Today, we're going to be doing the egg and olive oil hair mask. But first, you'll need a container, 2 eggs and some olive oil, combs, and a spray bottle with some water. Now part your hair into 4 even sections the best that you can. I used basically anything that I could find around the house, scrunchie, hair clips, anything will do. Don't forget your towel. And now it's time to get started. Alright, so I see a lot of dry areas in my hair, so I basically just start anywhere from the roots all the way to the ends as much as possible. Ladies, it's gonna take a while. You can use your spray bottle to deposit some water just to make it a little easier to apply the mask, but be careful. Now, I do recommend to detangle your hair prior to applying the mask, but I just decided to do it reversed. Not recommended. While I detangle this crazy mess, I want to share some facts with you about the benefits of this treatment. The mask is beneficial with protein. It packs the hair with lots of it while providing volume and shine, but there are claims that it helps with hair growth. Alright guys, so you want to leave the egg and olive oil treatment in your hair for 20 minutes. If if you don't want to end up cooking the eggs in your hair, please remember to apply cool water instead of warm to hot temperatures. If you would like to use some shampoo, it is optional, you don't have to, but make sure you use conditioner just to make sure the hair is nice and soft after rinsing. Now please enjoy these ASMR sounds. Stay tuned for the final results. Now I'm more hydrated than a palm tree full of coconuts.
Moisture is my life.
I'm actually an Aquarius, but you couldn't tell that in the beginning of this video.
So dry. So dry.
I no longer worry about bursting into flames while I step into the sun.
Explosion.
And I have eggs and olive oil to thank for that.
Gracias, huevo.
In all seriousness, I do recommend this for all hair types that are looking for moisture, some added protein, and some possible growth. If the mask works for you or it doesn't, I would love to hear all about it. Please comment below. Don't be afraid to give it a try, ladies. Please like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Ellie's Curls, Facebook Elisa Lizardo, and Ellie's Corner on YouTube coming soon. And if you're interested in the song choices that I decided to put in the video, here are the song credits. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Gracias, huevo.